On this episode of Tim's Garage, we're going four-wheel driving. Bring it on. So here we are in Halls Gap. We're going to have a whole heap of fun going four-wheel driving with a handful of mates. The idea is we're going to go up into just some fairly entry-level four-wheel driving tracks, and this is my first time ever, so we'll see how we go, and I obviously got to fix the GoPro settings. So where are we located? We're in Halls Gap, and you'll see just on the way in, you'll see a little road that sort of heads up to the north on the map anyway, and it's in this area that we're going four-wheel driving, so let's give it a go.
There's five. Lilacs and people I used to hang out.
Move forward, you're still in the water, like out of the water.
I don't think you'll see it, but that's fun anyway. Yeah. So Josh and Sam actually know what they're doing in this space. I have no idea, and Ben's probably just got a little bit more of an idea than I do. So we're just being led by the other guys and going where we go. But it turns out this was an absolute brilliant track to learn how to four-wheel drive on.
Probably one of the
Now, as I've said, I've got no idea, but it's great going with a bunch of guys who actually do. And so having someone lead the way up some of these technical areas is actually really, really good. So I really would encourage you to get someone who knows what they're doing to lead the group, and then it makes it a whole heap easier. We just inched our way through bit by bit, got talked through the tricky parts, and stopped and helped each other all the way. And there's heaps of better four-wheel drive and channels than this one, but I can see how people get into it. It's a whole heap of fun. It's quite addictive, and by the end of it, you're just giggling at it. But check how steep this is. This is nuts.
No slippies. A little bit of scratchies and great work.
Is that Sam?
No.
Trees been down, that was there last year when me and my boys come up. Throwing you in the water, mate.
Well, this mighty water crossing. Let's see how the Land Cruiser... Oh, it's already gone, yeah. No, it's not that big. But anyway. Next we see Sammy in the awesome, awesome Ranger. Still trying in two-wheel drive to see if he can do the whole track. A little bit of slippage, there we go. Back wheels were spinning most of the trip, really. Having a whole heap of fun. The next Ranger with Benny. Not an issue. He just... It's not that impressive, really. It's just idling through. And here we go. Look at it. The Colorado. Nice and easy. Easy. And it was actually pretty easy. Every now and then on these tracks, you just got to keep your wits about you, because you'll come across a feature that just slows you down, makes you think, and also makes you appreciate with a bit of experience with those behind the wheels. You can just see the angle of that Land Cruiser coming up through there, and we'll see how Sammy handles that before Ben gives it a crack. You gotta love the dedication of this guy. Two-wheel drive, bring it on.
Bureau Road.
We've got
Yeah.
very,
That's
there
right.
we go.
At all. I know they've already set up tables and stuff, so I don't want to leave them behind. I'll set up some PA for them later.
Look at the actual mats behind it. Always fall into that. Nice guys. Did that pay off? There you go. Smooth as anything. There you go. Thanks, Jonesy.
Commit before we can see where we commit.
Just on the left,
Toe bar.
Yeah, that's right. You probably should.
And well, that's the end of that. I've never done one of those four-wheel driving videos before, so a bit of feedback would be great. But it was a really great time out with the boys. Huge thanks to Sam and Nate once again for the camera work. It's so much better than just the in-car shot. Getting you guys out and taking some shots, you did a great job. So thanks heaps, and thanks fellas for a really good time out. With the utes and cars and stuff and junk and that. So all good. Anyway, have a great time, and we'll catch you next time on Tim's Garage.